Hi guys, today's vehicle is a Hyundai Elantra GL 2012. Hope that you guys enjoy it. Let's take a look around what we have. This is a friend car, and this one, it was not the exceptions. Ones that I met, I was thrilled to get my hands on it, and finally I did. Water spots in every seat, as this car was well used on commute to the beach and so back and forth. Grime, dirt, dog hair, ashes, you name it. Even a candidate was completely melted on it. This video will be on before and after shots, so you will see. In between, I have a few videos that I'll shot with the steamers and the vacuum. Overall, hope that you guys enjoy. Sit tight, relax, and please subscribe. As you guys know, this is a project that is just ongoing recently, so any suggestion, any comment, any question, anything, it's more than welcome. You can do it below in the comments right here in the video. Don't forget to subscribe or shoot me an email to letmedetailyourcar@gmail.com. Let's see how it ends up. And as I said, this is how it's up. I really had fun with this car because it was a friend car. So in the middle, we were shot in. She was amazed, thrilled. She had no words. She feels like she has another car instead. I'm glad that the results were like that. There's a few spots that we weren't able to remove. However, it's a 2012, so I think the results were more than words. So let's take a look how it was. There's a before and after shots. Have fun with it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you need help with your car and you are in Southwest Florida, shoot me an email to letmedetailyourcar@gmail.com and let's see what we can do about it. follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube. Let me detail your car. Till the next week, guys.